If you want to know how to build this beautiful end table, stick around. This is what we're going to do. We have a back wall, right? And we have this for the side walls and shelvings. And for the shelves, you want to cut it the same width as your back wall. As you can see, the back wall that I have comes with an ugly edge. I'm gonna measure without the edge, and that's gonna be the width of our shelves. I'm gonna make a mark at 18.7 centimeters, which is the same width as my back wall. I'm gonna make 2 more marks because I'm gonna have 3 shelves. Here I'm using a jigsaw because it doesn't really matter if the cut is perfectly straight. Now the shelves are done. Now I'm making a mark at 29 centimeters because that's how tall my first shelf is going to be. Now I'm making a mark at 15 centimeters because that's how tall I want the second shelf to be. Again, you can see I'm using the jigsaw for the side walls. Now we're finally done with the side walls. To make the back wall, I'm gonna first remove the siding. Here I'm using a handsaw, that is because I want it to be straight as possible. To make the back wall, I'm marking it at 50 centimeters. I added an extra centimeter because I didn't want stuff to fall behind it. Now the back wall is finished, and that means we can start assembling it. I used nails to put this all together, but you can use whatever you want to. Once you're done assembling the end table, you can either keep it stock like it is, or spray paint it like I did, or you can even burn it to get a nice pattern. And when I say burn it, I don't mean set it on fire. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and leave a like on the video. And if you have any ideas for future builds, please write it down in the comments.